Ugh, I burped. What's going on, Excel Fanatics? Verdexes here. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to use the shortcut to take a screenshot on Windows 10. So if you are already familiar with the Snipping Tool, that's something you can pull up on your PC, and it comes up in the little window. Press New, and you can just take your picture as needed. So this shortcut here is actually, if you press the Windows key, hit Shift and S, this is another way to snip the screenshot. And there's a few different things you can use here. I'm actually not sure what this one does. Oh, I guess this just saves to the entire clipboard. If we do it again, Windows key, Shift S. You can also do it in the lasso, where you just kind of feel like doing your own thing. Saves to clipboard, so if you press Control V, pops right up. Boom. Bob's your uncle. Alright, well that's it for you, Fanatics. Hope that's a useful shortcut for you. I thought it was kind of nice to know. It's usually kind of useful for these kind of things. Especially when you're trying to show, maybe if you have a problem with something, it's easier to show a screenshot so you can do the shortcut real quick and email it right along.